Welcome, today in front of me STK Life 9, and I'll show you how to add or remove home screen widgets on this device. So first you should select the screen where you want to add the widget. For example, we can go with a new one just to show you to have more space. And now just hold for a while your screen and tap here to shortcuts. And here, as can you see, we got all the available widgets that we can add on our screen. For example, we can go with the clock, with an angle clock, and now just here we got the message that we should just hold for a while the widget and drag it here to the position or to the section where you want to add the widget. And as can you see, we just get here the new widget. You can change the size of the widget just by this way. You can make it smaller or bigger if you want by this way. Also, we can add one more widget here by the same way. Go to the shortcuts, and for example, we can add the calendar shadow. Just hold for a while the widget and drag it here to this position. I'll show you that you can also change the size of this widget. You can make it bigger or smaller. And if you want, you can move here this widget on the screen, or between the screens you can create a new screen with the help of this widget, or also you can turn it back. And if you want to remove one from the widget, just hold for a while and drag it here up to the remove icon by this way, and also we'll remove the second widget too. So that's how it looks. And if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.